This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from VASG. This is their cordless leaf blower. It comes with not one, not two, but three 21-volt cordless or 21-volt batteries, making this a nice cordless blower. Very lightweight overall. Seems to be pretty powerful, up to 140 miles per hour blowing speed, and great for, small household jobs, which a lot of people don't have a lot of land and just need to blow off their patio, their driveway, and this right here will work perfectly for you. So it's variable speed. You can also use it just kind of as like a little blow nozzle. You can also unscrew this, and you have a bunch of different options. You can screw in the little extender nozzle here as well to make it a bigger blower. You got to get that nozzle in right, but either way, there we go. Match up the threads, and then you have a nice large blower. You can put the little cone on the end of it as well. This is how we're going to use it. But multiple configurations you can take. There's a bunch of different adapters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can use it as have it as short or as long as you want it to for this blower tube. We'll just do the longest one and use it like a traditional leaf blower. Comes with a set of earplugs as well. Here's your charger. Here's your 2 additional batteries. There's a little, I'll push this a little bit, you'll see a little display. And also you can hear its variable speed too, so it's not just all on or all off, which is good. So should be a very nice blower. We're going to test this thing out and just blow some leaves and pine straw and whatever else I can find outside here next. Alright guys, so we have a bunch of pine straw here, and we got this blower. So let's see how good it does, and then we'll find an area that has some leaves and stuff on some concrete so that you can see how well it does there. So that's not too bad, especially on a surface like this. Blew that stuff over into a little pile there, and did a pretty decent job. Pine straw is relatively dry, a little bit damp from the dew this morning, but not too bad. We'll go and take it over into some concrete areas here so that we can see how well it blows on hard surfaces. So here's some leaves and pine straw on a hard surface here. I'll blow this just to show you. And we'll get over here. Does a pretty good job. This is more designed for hard surfaces and stuff like that. So, like I said, very satisfactory blower for the job that it's going to be intended to do. You're not going to be blowing entire yards or anything like it. You're going to be blowing your driveway, your patio, and other hard surfaces off 9 times out of 10, and this is exactly what it does. And it's got plenty of battery. It should, like I said, last you a good little while, and you got 3 batteries as well. Alright guys, that's everything on this cordless leaf blower. As you can see, you got many options. It comes with many batteries, which is good. So even though these are just 2,000 milliamp hour batteries, they'll give you a little bit of time, probably anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes of blowing time. But if you think about it, if you multiply that by 3, you get up to an hour of blowing time, maybe even longer. But either way, a bunch of different options for the length of your blower tube as well, depending on whatever type of blowing that you may need to do. So very handy blower to have. I think you'll really enjoy it if you just need to do some light duty blowing. Don't want to deal with the hassle of a gas blower or anything along those lines. So thanks again for watching this product review. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.